Food day, everyone. We'll be cooking a special dish. This is called garlic butter with oyster sauce na crabs. And we also put lemon soda. So, are you ready? So, first we preheated the wok. We just put a little bit of oil, like a teaspoon of oil, just to grease the wok. After that, you put all of the garlic. And then we'll just put the half of the stick of the, so it's like 1/4 po pag sa bar ng butter. But this is only a half stick, and we'll put the fire medium to low. Kaya ang mag-melt yung butter. Next is, we'll be adding oyster sauce. Siguro mga approximately po pag 1 kilong crab. Half cup. There. And then yung lemon soda. $500 ml. Bring it to a boil. Lalagay ko rin yung crab. Lalagay na po natin yung crab. Steamed crabs. Linis na po yan. Tapos, natin yung crabs. Tinanggal na, nilinis na, tinanggal na hindi po yung mga crabs. The crabs were steamed approximately by 10 to 15 minutes po sa ating Saladmaster steamer. Quarts with steamer. Pag konti yung crabs, pwede po siya sa 3 quarts with 2.5 steamer. And then we will cover this. And let's wait after 15 minutes. For a finished product, mag-add po ako ng black olives. Tapos sinimmer siya for 5 minutes. Bye! Enjoy! Sarap!